In this video, we are going to discuss one special problem related to Nyquist plot. So, this is previous GATE problem given in GATE 2007. So, observe the problem here. If x is equivalent to real of g of j omega and y is equivalent to imaginary of g of j omega, then for omega tending to 0 plus, the Nyquist plot for g of s is equivalent to 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 es. So, x equivalent to 0, x equivalent to minus 3 by 4, x equivalent to y minus 16, x equivalent to y by root 3. So, we need to find out that x value. So, here for omega tending to 0 plus. So, here when omega tending to 0 plus, the Nyquist plot is asymptotic towards the real axis. So, here to find out that x is equivalent to minus k into T1 plus T2. So, here from where we got this T1, T2 and K means, so if your transfer function is in the form g of s is equivalent to K by s into 1 plus st1 into 1 plus st2, then you can apply this formula x is equivalent to minus k into T1 plus T2. So, this is one of the shortcut formula. And here first of all you need to convert your given transfer function into this form. Your given transfer function is not in this form. So, now you are going to convert that into your form. So, now here I am taking common of these two. So, g of s is equivalent to, I am taking common of 2 here. So, 1 divided by 2 into s into 1 plus s into 1 plus s by 2. So, you can see. So, now I am writing in that form g of s is equivalent to this 1 by 2, I am making in numerator 1 by 2 divided by s into 1 plus s into 1 plus s into 1 by 2. So, if you observe this equation, if you compare that equation with this equation, so numerator k is equivalent to 1 by 2, T1 is equivalent to 1 because s quotient is 1 here and here T2 is 1 by 2. I am substituting in this equation. So, minus k means minus 1 by 2 into T1 means 1 plus T2 means 1 by 2. So, here 1 plus 1 by 2. So, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So, here you are going to get minus 3 by 4. So, x value is equivalent to minus 354. Like this way we can solve this type of problems. What we need to do? So, we need to consider the formula first, and after that we need to convert your given transfer function into this form. After that we need to substitute the values or like k, T1 and T2 in this formula to get x value. Like this way we need to solve this type of problems in frequency response analysis.